Hey guys, and welcome back. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. And today we are finally presenting our Thanksgiving build. To start off, I have a Hot Wheels 1956 Nomad. And you know the normal routine. Had it drilled out and taken it apart now. So, my favorite family tradition when it comes to Thanksgiving would have to be being with family. So that's why I picked the Nomad. Station wagon type car, to fit a lot of people in. That was my vision for this. So I originally planned on doing like a dragster build with big slicks in the back, big motor sticking out, but that didn't go through because the original wheels I had for this car did not fit. So I took a different approach. More of a lowrider, custom feel. Modern is the word I would like to use for this build. A modern Nomad that every man would love to have. So here I am just filing down the rivets as smooth as possible. They did not turn out great because I didn't have much time to work on this car because the last week and a half I've been super busy and barely had time to get down into the workshop and started working. Also, I have 2 to 3 other videos that I am working on, plus Christmas gifts that I am doing for other people. So yeah, guys, I hope all is well. Happy Thanksgiving again, and thank you to all the builders who decided to take part in this. I'm very excited to see what you guys came up with, and yeah. Alright, now here, so I decided I wanted to just take the decals off. So this is an old trick I learned from a couple of the old guys that are on YouTube here. You grab a Expo marker and you push really hard on it to remove the decal. And this process takes forever, but it is so worth it in the end. Not for me though, because I got really excited and the car was completely stripped of the decals, and you can guess it if you want, I dropped it. So I had to strip the car of all the beautiful paint and I had to start from scratch. Here's are the wheels I'm using. I got them off a bug that I found. The bug was smashed, but that's besides the point. I did my pipes and everything, and it's slammed. Look at that. It looks pretty cool. It's pretty modern looking. Nothing too fancy, but that's the look I'm going for. So now, yes, the Dremel is still out of commission because we are working on doors still. And I have to use my steel wool. But honestly, this car was so clean from after coming out of the stripper, it just needed steel wool cleaning anyway, and it came all off. And it looks great. It looks great. There was a couple of casting lines that I had to remove, but other than that, perfect little car. Nothing really wrong with it. A little paint stuck, but I would say it was about a 98.6% paint removal. And there I am filing down the casting lines that we had. Nothing major. It was just a really disgusting mark that I saw on the back, and I was like, this would not look good if paint was on it. So I decided to do that on both sides just to make sure that we had it all down. I wanted to say again, guys, thank you for taking time to do this build with me. I know it was last minute, but it was hopefully worth it for you guys, you builders, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Also, guys, just a quick reminder, 50 followers and the giveaway cars will be available. I will be doing a raffle from the last video. If you haven't seen the last video, go check it out. It will give you more details on what is going on. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to explain it. Pretty much, if I get to 50 followers, I'll be giving away one of 3 cars. Those you're going to have to go check out in the last video. But once we hit that, I will be doing a raffle, and the winner will get the car. Pretty much all you have to do is comment in that video, and you will have the chance to win. And I wish the luck to all you guys. So we were just, again, we're finishing up the cleaning process here. Honestly, the roof was my favorite part to clean, but that's just me. Also, I'm sorry this is a two-parter. Again, I have been slammed, and I just haven't had time at all to make videos. But once Christmas break comes around, I will be working in the day, but I will be working in the workshop at night a little bit more, so I can make more videos for you. It's just school just is killing me. But that hasn't stopped me before. So, there is that gap there you see, but that will be changed and it will be fixed. There will be no gap. And this car is kind of a roller, not really. I really need to work on getting these cars to roll, but I'll figure it out. Here I am proceeding to sand down that area so that axle tube can fit in there. There we go, there we go, there we go. This took me so long. It was probably 2-3 hours of sanding that down because, again, Dremel is down. But we do end up getting primer on this car, and it looks just amazing so far. I can't wait for you guys to see part 2 and the complete product.
So here we are back. So for this part, I just wanted to show you guys real quick that the primer went on perfectly on the Nomad, and it looks beautiful. And I finally did trim that bottom piece enough so it can fit on here perfectly for the most part. See, look, no more gap. Beautiful thing. I also wanted to record my voice on the video here because it would be easier and it would give me more time to say thank you for everyone who decided to do this build with me. I know it was just a couple folks, but I wanted to thank you guys. Once I know who did this video, I will add their videos at the bottom of this video so you can go check them out. I already know it's going to be an awesome group of cars and builders who decided to take part in this. Part 2 should be out next week with the King Cuda build. I can't wait to show you guys that. That was a cool build. I stripped the paint off that car and I'm making it shiny as possible, making it a chrome car. I also wanted to say happy Thanksgiving to you guys. I appreciate all the support you've given me so far. I know I'm new, but I can't wait to get more subscribers and followers and comments and all of the above so we can make more videos and content for you guys. If you guys do like what you see, you know what to do. Like the video, share it with someone, and subscribe, of course. Speaking of subscribing, if we get up to 50 subscribers, remember our last video, 50 subscribers, and we do a giveaway of 3 cars, one of your choice. Thanks, guys. Next video will be out next week. Have a good Thanksgiving, and I hope all is well, and I hope you all are safe. Thank you, guys. See you next week.